Atkins Civil 3D video series, SWR 3C, Construct Sewer Services. This video illustrates A. Create construct sewer service pipe network, B. Default settings for the network, and C. Create sewer service pipe and cleanouts. Construct sewer service default settings, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, pipe, pick current, see sewer service, okay. Pipe network section, pick current, see sewer service, okay. Pipe or structure profile, see sewer service parts are not drawn in profile, leave as default. Structure, see sewer manhole, okay. Okay. Right click pipe network, edit feature settings, default styles, structure default style, see sewer cleanout, okay. Pipe default style, see sewer service, okay. Default parts list, see sewer service, okay. Okay. Create see sewer service pipe network, home ribbon, create design panel, pipe network icon, pipe network creation tools, network name, see sewer service, network part list, see sewer service, layers, see sewer service, see sewer manhole. For the structure, not drawn in profile, pipe network section, see sewer service, okay. Surface name, kin top surface, alignment name, kin crown, structure label style, see sewer cleanout, pipe label style, see sewer service, okay. In pipe network layout tools, check that the name is correct, see sewer service, parts list, surface, alignment, 4-inch cleanout for the structure, 4-inch PVC pipe, slope direction downhill, pipes only, snap off, pick the intersection of the existing sewer service lateral at the property line, snap on, pick perpendicular to the construct sewer, escape. In the events panorama, clear all actions, close panorama. The events panorama occurs because the C sewer service cannot connect to the C sewer pipe. Repeat for other locations. Pipes only, pick the sewer lateral at property line. Pick perpendicular to the new sewer main. Escape, clear events, close panorama. Repeat at other locations. A double sweep T cleanout is installed at the property line. The service line is maintained by the city from the cleanout to the main and by the property owner from the cleanout to the building. Add the 4-inch cleanout. Select structures only. Hover over pipe at the property line, snap off, and pick when connect glyph appears. Escape. The cleanout is shown with label. Repeat at all other locations. Modify and move pipe labels as needed. For short lengths of pipe, pick label. In Properties palette, pick label style. Select See Sewer Service to line. Move label away from pipe, pick the square glyph. Move to desired location. Move others labels as needed. Repeat at other locations. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.